Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
In this video, we will explore how to connect AI agents with automation tools to create intelligent workflows that can run tasks independently and efficiently. AI agents on their own are powerful, but when they are integrated with automation platforms, they can perform tasks across systems, saving time and increasing productivity. Let us start by understanding what automation tools are. Tools like N8N, Zapier, and Make allow you to connect different software applications and automate repetitive tasks. For example, you can automatically send an email when a database is updated or trigger a report generation when a specific event occurs. By integrating AI agents with these platforms, you are effectively enabling your agents to act on information from multiple systems without manual intervention. The first step in integration is defining the workflow. You need to clearly understand the goal of your AI agent and what actions it should perform in the automation platform. For instance, imagine you have an AI agent that analyzes customer feedback. You might want it to categorize feedback, summarize key insights, and then automatically update a spreadsheet or CRM system. Conceptually, you are turning raw data into actionable steps using AI and automation combined. Next, we map out the tools and connections required. In our example, the AI agent will need access to the database or input files, the CRM platform, and the spreadsheet application. By planning these connections, you ensure that the agent has all the resources needed to complete the workflow successfully. This step is essential to prevent errors or incomplete tasks later on. Once the workflow is defined, the AI agent needs to interact with the automation tool. This is usually done through APIs or pre-built connectors provided by the platform. Conceptually, your agent sends instructions to the automation tool, which then carries out the tasks across connected applications. One key advantage here is that your AI agent does not need to manually navigate each system. Instead, it communicates through structured interfaces, which increases efficiency and reduces the chance of mistakes. Another critical aspect to consider is memory and context. Your AI agent should be aware of the current state of the workflow and any previous actions. This allows the agent to make informed decisions, handle exceptions, and adjust tasks dynamically. For example, if a task fails in the workflow, the agent can retry it, escalate it, or notify you, depending on how you have designed the reasoning and feedback loops. Monitoring and optimization are also part of real-world integration. As your AI agent runs the workflow, you should track performance metrics, such as task completion time, error rates, and resource utilization. Using this data, you can refine both the AI agent and the automation workflow, making the system smarter and more reliable over time. Finally, think about scaling. Once your integrated AI workflows are running smoothly, you can replicate the setup for multiple processes, departments, or even different organizations. The combination of AI agents with automation tools enables highly efficient autonomous systems that can handle complex business operations with minimal human intervention. By understanding and implementing these principles, you will be able to create AI-driven workflows that are not only functional, but also scalable, intelligent, and ready for real-world applications. This skill set is highly valuable for AI engineers, automation specialists, and anyone looking to leverage AI for productivity and operational excellence.
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates, stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.learnetguide.net.